Huh? Okay, I still gotta save Luigi. Remember part 1? This is part 2, okay? Okay, gonna continue flying. Woo! Oh my gosh, who is this handsome guy? Wow. Oh wait, I forgot. That's old me. Or should I say young me? Okay. What'd you do with Luigi? Well, I captured him. How come? Because I felt like it. You're mean. No, you're mean. No, you're mean. Ah! Ah! Where's Luigi? I'm gonna fart on you if you don't tell me. I'll never tell you. Ah! Ah! It smells so bad. Now tell me. Tell me where he is. He's under the table. Oh, good. Luigi, I am here to save you. I'm taking a nap. Come back in 5 minutes. Luigi, come here now. No, I'm taking a nap. I said come here. I'm taking a nap. Okay. Let's take him home. We gotta keep sleeping anyway. It's only like 7 in the morning or something like that. Oh. Not my face, guys. Okay, come on, Luigi. But now you don't wanna. You have to. Why? Because Mom said. Mom said what? Well, remember what Mom said? I'm the big brother. Even though you're tall, I still have to take care of you. Come on, it's nap time. Dude, I'm 12 years old. Who cares? It's nap time. Now, go to bed. Would you tell me a story? No. Yes. No. Yes. Oh, fine. Once upon a time, there was an awesome guy and a dumb guy. The dumb guy was wearing a green hat, and the awesome guy was wearing a red hat. One day, they just came into a weird world called Mushroom Kingdom, and their names were Mario and Luigi. You're mean. I know. Now, go to bed. Oh, fine.